you like meatballs and cast iron pizza, this is going to be the pizza for you. Keep watching. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants. Today we have a special treat.
We do.
We are making gluten-free cast iron pan pizza in the oven.
That's right. We recently got this pan. We bought it ourselves. It's from Field Company.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful cast iron, 12-inch, made here in the U.S. We've used it. We're not obviously cooking meat on it, but have used it for quite a few things, and we thought, let's make a pizza in it, kind of a thick crust, deep dish. And that just screamed for meatballs.
Meatball, yeah.
So we're going to be making some Impossible meatballs. We're going to par cook them a little bit just so that they're a little cooked, and then we get this from my mom in California. I think you can get it at Whole Foods. It's called Santa Maria. And it's like for steak and seafood and that sort of thing.
Awesome on
veggies. It's super yummy. You can put anything you want on it, but we're just going to spice the meatballs up a little bit. And then just a red sauce. And what kind of cheese are we using today?
Today we're using Violife mozzarella shreds. So one of the cheeses we did a taste test with originally. Were we not going to use olives too?
Oh, yeah, there's olives over on our dining room table. We're going to put olives on this.
I was thinking
Trust us.
It was a two-topper. I was getting confused. It seemed kind of naked.
It was.
Okay.
It was.
Olives and meatball, all gluten-free, homemade dough, recipe below, homemade sauce. We've made this sauce below.
Yes.
And
it's all good.
Let's make some pizza.
Pizza time.
To start things off for our meatball cast iron pizza, we're going to just par cook our Impossible meatballs for about 5 minutes in the air fryer at 400 degrees. While those are cooking, Katie's just going to slice up some of the black olives. The meatballs are done, so we're just going to dump them into a bowl, sprinkle a little bit of seasoning. Today we're using Santa Maria seasoning that we got from Whole Foods, and then Katie's just going to slice them in half. Next up, we're making a fresh tomato sauce. We're going to open up a can of whole peeled San Marzano tomatoes, and we're going to add in some fresh basil, garlic, salt, pepper, some crushed red pepper, and just hit that with a stick blender. It is time to make some pizza. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a healthy dose of olive oil into your cast iron pan and really coat the sides and the bottom well. The dough is meant to really kind of fry in the pan, if you will. After that, because we're using our gluten-free dough recipe, the link is down below for that. We made a double batch for this pizza. We're going to get our hands in some olive oil along with our dough scraper. We're going to scrape the dough out of the bowl into the cast iron pan and then just slowly work the dough out so that it covers the entire base of the cast iron pan. Let's build this pizza. We're going to start with our fresh tomato sauce, followed by our Violife mozzarella. Then we're going to add our meatballs if Katie can stop eating them for a minute. And lastly, we're going to add in our black olive, and then into the oven it goes.
I got too much on my napkin.
Okay, I'm fired.
Yep, you're fired.
Yeah, that's my line. We have pizza.
That's good.
Doesn't it look super yummy?
Looks good.
Look at the dough. Here, turn. So it literally, it looks like dough. I mean, it doesn't.
Yes.
It's gluten-free, and super crispy on the bottom because of the oil that we put in there. And I am going to stop talking and eat.
Well, I was trying to show it's crispy on the bottom. Not super brown, but crispy.
Yeah, it didn't get a golden brown, but it is definitely super crispy on the bottom, right?
Mm-hmm. That was just a dough bite. Mm-hmm. I think it tastes good.
Yeah, and the dough has a nice chewiness to it.
Yeah.
I'm going to take my first bite with a meatball.
I don't think I can get meatball and pizza, but we'll try.
I did, and that was amazing. Mm-hmm.
I think with the meatballs, though, we could even go
a quarter
less on the pre-cook.
Oh, yeah, but they're still good.
We pre-cooked them half, kind of half cooked.
Mm-hmm.
And we could have gone, I think, a third.
This is super fun. Easy way to make deep dish, right?
Yeah.
And totally tasty, gluten-free, so I'm going to be happy about it.
Yeah.
So,
Meatballs included.
yeah, this is great.
Yeah, I like it.
Nicely
All
done.
right. High five.
All right. Thank you for watching, everybody.
Be kind
Eat pizza.
with plants.
See ya. That was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot crispier than I thought it would be.
Right.